Experiencing a frozen screen, no sound, or constant reboots in your Chevy Cruze's infotainment system? You're not alone. These issues are common in 2011-2019 models. First, understand the system's core. It's based on Linux or Android, integrating touchscreen, audio, and connectivity. Key failure modes include frozen screen from software overload or CPU overheating, no sound from faulty amplifiers or corrupted settings, and reboot loops from memory leaks. Begin with a simple hard reset. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. For models from 2016 onward, try a factory reset via the Settings menu. If a hard reset doesn't resolve the issue, consider reinstalling the system's firmware using a USB drive and GM's update tool available on their website. This requires accessing the system's diagnostic mode. Inspect fuses, specifically fuse 29 for infotainment power. Check connections to the CAN bus network. For persistent problems, module replacement by a professional might be necessary, costing $501,000. As the Cruze is discontinued, future fixes might involve aftermarket solutions or third-party head units. Be aware that tampering can void warranties. While GM continues to offer software patches, hardware obsolescence may eventually necessitate full replacements. Remember to check GM's support site and Chevy forums for the latest updates and user-reported solutions.